Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, preheat your pan on medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon of oil. This step is crucial because the oil needs to be hot enough to sear the beef minced properly. You'll know it's ready when you see the oil shimmering slightly. If you don't have a thermometer, a simple trick is to drop a small piece of beef into the oil. If it sizzles, you're good to go. Remember, the right temperature ensures that the beef browns nicely, adding depth to the flavor. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Now, turn the heat down a bit and add the 500 grams of beef minced to the pan. Use a spatula or a wooden spoon to break it up into smaller pieces. This is important because it helps the beef cook evenly. Pay attention here. A common mistake is leaving large chunks, which can result in uneven cooking. Keep stirring and breaking it up until the beef is in small, even pieces. You'll know you're on the right track when the beef starts to lose its pink color. Next, season the beef generously with 2 teaspoons of your favorite seasoning. This small detail makes the difference in flavor, so don't be shy. Continue to brown the mince, stirring occasionally. You'll know it's ready when the beef is a rich, brown color, and you can smell the delicious aroma filling your kitchen. If you notice any excess liquid, just let it evaporate. This will help the beef caramelize better. Finally, add 200 grams of tomato sauce to the pan. Stir everything together and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. This step is important because it allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. You'll know it's done when the sauce has thickened slightly and coats the beef minced nicely. If it's too thick, you can add a splash of water to loosen it up. And there you have it, the best beef minced using this quick method. Enjoy your meal. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.